In a world where data is king, you need full visibility into every corner of your company. With the Fuuz manufacturing platform, monitor, track, document, and control your processes from raw material to finished product. Fuuz isn't just another management solution. It's a powerhouse of tools for product setup, work order dispatching, product tracking, flexible reporting, and more. Extend your capabilities with advanced scheduling, warehouse management, maintenance, and quality management. Fuuz eliminates the need for multiple vendors, saving you time and money. Our integration hub makes it easy to connect to everything. Our no-code and low-code tools let you tailor your solution exactly how you want it. Forget the hassle of mismatched solutions. With Fuuz, you get real-time connectivity and control, helping you focus on what matters most, growing your business. Fuuz. Simplify, integrate, grow.